I'm going to be here doing a review of the Healthy Luscious Hair F330. It bears a striking resemblance to the Dyson. So, I'll take it out. So, take it out of the box. There's a little instruction packet. Alright, we've got the hair dryer. It's cute, it's pink. Here's the plug. Okay, let's plug them in. So let's plug my other hair dryer and plug this guy in. First, let's take this part off so I have some more space. Okay. Okay, he's plugged in there. Test it to make sure it turns on. All right, so we've got 3 attachments. There's this one. There's this one, which has double combed. And then the diffuser, that's for curly hair. I don't see which one to use. I'm going to try this one first. So you can see it puts a lock symbol on it. So I'm guessing, oh, this is the front. So we're going to push them in and then lock it. So it's locked in place. You can see it's not coming out. And then I'm going to, here, let's see if I can get it. There we go. I'm going to just blow dry my hair. So I did half my hair with the side that has 2 combs in it. And now I'm going to take it out. It's very hot. I'm going to try it with the one curly side, and we'll see how that does. All right, here. Let's try it. All right, so now that I have mostly dried my hair, you can see my shirt is still wet, but the hair is mostly dry. I did find that I liked the head that was curly, this one, more because it felt like it had a more defined airflow than the other one, because this one is mostly like a comb, but this is great if you don't have like a brush to help you with, but this one is better if you just want like more hot air. Now what I'm gonna do, I do have curly hair, so a diffuser is meant to be used with curly hair. I've never used one like this before, but I'm going to hook it up to the thing. All right, it is in there. And I'm going to apply a little bit of curl lotion. And then I think I just, I'm going to be going like this and like going up. I think you're supposed to go upside down, but I do not have the space over here to do that. So I will do that on time lapse. So now that my hair is super curly, you can see it did a pretty good job. My hair is not usually this messy after I wash it, but the curls are interesting. I know it's definitely a look. People definitely like this look. It looks a little frizzy for me. I might tame down the top with some, but honestly, I can't tell if it's bad or good. It's a little frizzy. I think maybe it might have worked better if I had just diffused it immediately after washing it instead of blow drying it and then diffusing it. But I don't hate this. And it doesn't feel like gel. Like I did use this like an actual like gel lotion that was supposed to define frizz, but I guess it didn't when you combine it with a hair dryer. But overall works really well. Standard blow dryer. It has a cold button right here, as well as the 4 symbols. It's off, fan, low, and then high. So you can pick those and the 3 heads and you're set. It's pretty good.